Welcome back to Automatic Addiction. The virtually restored 2025 Nissan Xterra will compete with the 4Runner, Bronco, and Wrangler models. Last year, Japanese automakers did well in the US auto market. Toyota sold 2.24 million cars, Honda shipped 1.3 million, while Nissan's local subsidiary filled an Excel sheet with 899K cars. Given that deliveries will increase by more than 23% through 2023, largely due to the outstanding performance of Nissan brands and models like the Sentra, Kicks, Rogue, and Pathfinder, this is a tremendous statement to Nissan's confidence. Observe that the majority of them are SUV crossovers. Looking at Nissan's lineup of high-end cars, you would assume that it consists of the $21,000 Kicks, $28,000 Rogue, $36,000 Pathfinder, $38,000 Murano, $43,000 completely electric Ariya, and $55,620 Armada. They are undoubtedly selling well in contrast to the 2024 Z sports car, which sold a meager 1,771 units in total last year. Therefore, perhaps the Japanese manufacturer should think about adding more SUVs to its inventory in place of the Nissan Z Nismo. At least, that's what the rumor mill, or more specifically, the creative community of online automotive content producers, seem to think. They think Nissan could add a real off-road SUV to its roster of premium vehicles to go along with its assortment of crossovers. In reality, the parallel universe of car CGI has discovered a workaround. According to some sources, Nissan would be well to bring back the Xterra nameplate. Originally, the Xterra was a compact SUV based on a truck that shared a platform with the Nissan Frontier, which is based in Navarra. Remarkably, this little, unique SUV was the first vehicle entirely designed and manufactured in the United States by the Japanese automaker, having been conceived by Nissan Design International, now Nissan Design America, in California. As per the kind people over at the Autoya Info channel on YouTube, who are the most recent to envision a comeback for the Nissan now that it is independent, the third-generation Nissan Frontier D41 midsize pickup truck can more effectively compete with the tough vehicles of today, such as the Ford Bronco, Toyota 4Runner, and Jeep Wrangler. Would you thus be interested in seeing Nissan bring back the Xterra as an SUV based on the D41 Frontier, particularly if it retained the majority of the original Xterra's distinctive appearance and a 310 horsepower 3.8-liter V6 engine?